Hello folks, it's me, the Hairy Hat Man. I've came into North Finchley today to try Milano's cafe. I've got the chicken Slovakia. So folks, what did I think to Milano's in Finchley? Well, it was very nice. Don't know what sauces and things they put and spices they put on the chicken and the chips, but it was really lovely, really nice and clean inside. Really recommend it. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching. So folks, the reason why we came into London today is to tick off one of my bucket list things. We've been coming to London for many years, but we've never ever done a boat on the Thames. So we've booked the river boats, really excited. So let's go and get on.
As it would have been done back in Shakespeare's time. Folks, so if the children go to it, please go with them. So we don't want anyone falling over and getting back. As a museum ship to the public. They seated, but also there is a chance downstream on board the Salty. And I do hope you Now they own the tallest tower block in Western Europe, dominating view of the Houses of Parliament and Big Ben. Now before we get there, we're going to be calling at our next stop, which is just by the exit will be the
So folks, I've just come off the River Thames boat ride. Now we're going over to Elephant and Castle to the Southwark Playhouse to ride the Cyclone. Yes, it's a theatre show. So let's go see what that's all about. So folks, we have just rode the Cyclone at the Southwark Playhouse in Elephant and Castle. Well, what do I think? Well, what a show. It's very dark humour. It's about a roller coaster accident and this fortune telling robot giving out this special power. So to make one of them come back to life, they have to, between them, decide who they will give that life power back to. It's absolutely bonkers, absolutely funny. It's really good. However, well, it's not however, but however, we did have two understudies. The main robot man, he should have been somebody from RuPaul's Drag Race. We don't really watch that or into that, but we did have his understudy and one of the girls as an understudy. This did come out last year as the first run. It was that good, they brought it back for a second run, and they've also extended that because it's that good and that popular. I do feel it might blow up a bit like what Six did. We saw that before it went crazy, and our tickets are a fortune. But yeah, we really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my show, and I shall see you in the next one.